It is love that fires your words and makes them burn like a torch. People saw Jesus for different reasons. Some of them did so to trap him, others to experience his healing touch, and yet others simply out of love. And today we celebrate the feast of one such person who sought Jesus purely out of love, Saint Mary Magdalene. Today's Gospel tells us of Mary Magdalene as one seeking earnestly for Christ. When she was asked, "Whom you are looking for?" her immediate response can be understood in the words of the bride from the Song of Songs. "Have you seen him whom my soul loves?" My dear brothers and sisters, Mary Magdalene teaches us how to seek Christ. In her, we see a deer that longs for running water. Tradition tells us that she used to be someone who was looked at as an object of pleasure. However, after encountering Jesus, after encountering the love of Christ, her life was completely transformed. In Jesus, she found her true self. In other words, Mary's heart was restless until it found its rest in Jesus. This is true in our lives too. Our hearts will be restless till it finds its rest in Jesus, till we experience His burning love for us. We are called to seek Him earnestly, and when we do so, He comes to us as love, in love, for love. God pours into us His infinite love and transforms us through His love. This is what makes us true disciples of Christ. The love that flows from the heart of God is poured into all of His children, enabling us to love others with the same love. Christ teaches us that love is setting aside one's life for one another. Love involves forgetting oneself for the sake of the other. As we hear in the Song of Songs, "For love a man will give up all that he has and think nothing of his loss." 1 John chapter 4:7 tells us that everyone who loves is begotten by God and knows God, and anyone who lives in God lives in God and God lives in him. In the words of Saint Bernard, "Unless you are ablaze with love, you cannot kindle a fire in others. It is love that fires your words and makes them burn like a torch." And so today, on the feast of Saint Mary Magdalene, we can learn an important lesson, the lesson of seeking our Lord with love, so that we too can truly love.